What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you tried to unlock your iPhone, but found out that Face ID couldn't recognize you. After entering several times of wrong numbers, the lock screen will show iPhone unavailable. So in today's video, I'll show you a couple ways to unlock your iPhone without Face ID or passcode. The first method is Erase iPhone Unlock Screen. This method requires that you've already logged in with your Apple ID. What you need to do is to try again in 5 minutes. And later you shall see the lock screen comes along with iPhone unavailable information, and also with an option in the bottom right, Erase iPhone. Tap on it, and erase all content and settings with Erase iPhone. Enter the password to sign out of Apple ID, and sooner, iPhone will be factory reset. Different ways to unlock your iPhone without Face ID or passcode. If any of them helps, don't forget to give us a thumbs up.